This is the engine.
You got the parachute in there?
Yep. Yeah, where are you guys gonna go?
Get back in case this thing goes haywire. This thing is gonna go super high. What if it goes sideways?
Go light the fuse.
Hold up for a second, hang on.
I don't have much battery.
I saw smoke, but the fuse didn't light.
Go light the
Go over
fuse.
there cautiously, Eli. But if this thing goes sideways, we should be behind something.
I don't like that.
You need a better lighting mechanism. Where's the blowtorch?
That's what I need.
Yeah, not that little.
Oh my.
There it's going. Watch for it. Parachute. Come on, parachute.
I can't get it on the...
Parachute. There it goes.
Yeah!
Woo!